Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sinsa Day. This video is a part 2 of my last video, which was talking about what was I talking about? Where I was talking about why I believe Instagram is the worst platform for artists. So in this video, I'll be giving you alternatives to Instagram. And yeah, I would still say do post on Instagram, but maybe don't make Instagram your primary platform, or don't post on just Instagram. I feel like that's one of the biggest mistakes I made. I was posting on Instagram alone because back when I was trying to grow my audience, there were a lot of like gurus suggesting that, stick to one platform, you don't want to divide your attention. But now I'm telling you, divide your attention because you don't know where your audience is going to be. Instagram, it doesn't seem like the best place to grow your audience anymore, at least not for artists. Anyways, I'll be talking about other options that I feel like are probably way better than Instagram. The first one being ArtStation. If you're an artist, you have to have an ArtStation account. That is where you can put your portfolio together. You can put the works that you really like and the works that you want to get jobs in. You can find job opportunities there because they regularly post job opportunities on there. I've not been able to apply for any because I've been so lucky to get work on my own. But if you're looking for work in that industry, freelance or full-time, then ArtStation is a platform that you need to have because there are many studios that post job opportunities there, and you can post your artwork and you can structure it and in a way that will be appealing to the right people. So if you're interested in becoming a character designer, post the artwork that is specifically for character design. If you're interested in, it's basically like a portfolio. So you can turn ArtStation into a portfolio where you share your work to the right people. And of course, because ArtStation is specific for artists, you know that you are reaching the right audience, and you know that you probably get eyes from industry people more than any other platform out there. And my next platform is Pinterest. Pinterest is widely used by artists and designers, architects, people that like aesthetic stuff. So that is why I will recommend in Pinterest, because you probably find people that are interested in art and interested in your work more than any other social media platform. And Pinterest is one of the biggest platforms out there with over 400 million active users every month. So don't sleep on Pinterest, guys. You probably see your work on Pinterest anyways, posted by randos, as Amber Heard would say. Yeah, your art is posted on Pinterest anyway, so why don't you post it yourself? Create a business account on Pinterest, post your work. I've seen tremendous growth on Pinterest beyond my wildest expectation. Right now, I'm almost at 200,000 monthly views on Pinterest, and I average at 100,000 monthly views since I've been posting on there. It's crazy how much people you can reach on Pinterest. I've been really shocked by it. I have only 300 views and 300 followers on Pinterest, guys. I don't even have a lot. I have just 300 followers. But my art is still reaching a lot of people, and there's longevity. That word. There's oh my gosh, this is really hard for me to pronounce. But you know what I'm saying. It's a post on Pinterest can have a lifespan of up to 6 months, maybe even a year. I don't know. I've not posted on Pinterest enough for me to know. But compared to Instagram, where after 2 days nobody ever sees the artwork anymore, on Pinterest you can post something today and it can become popular in 3 months' time. And that has happened a lot with my art, and I just view Pinterest now as like an archive. I draw whatever I want to draw, post it on Pinterest, and hope it reaches people. If it doesn't, that's fine, because I know I still have hope that in a couple of months it's going to reach thousands of people, tens of thousands of people. So that's very hopeful. So these days I've been trying to post on Pinterest as regular as I can, and Pinterest doesn't work like Instagram where you have to post specific type of content. You can post whatever you want, really. You can post your process, you can post different type of art that you create, you can post videos, anything really. And yeah, just make sure that you have the business account so you can gauge your people can follow you, and so that you can know how many people you're reaching through your art. So yeah, that would be my advice for that. A lot of people use Pinterest. People like to save art on Pinterest. I know that I found artists on Pinterest where I've asked to follow them on Instagram because I really love their work. And the great thing about Pinterest is that it shows your work to the right people. Anybody that is interested in art will most likely see art-related content. If you're interested in photography, you will see photograph-related content. If you're interested in portraits, you see portrait-related content. The algorithm is so smart that it shows you things that you're interested in, and if you select a post, it shows you more things that are related to that post. So if you draw portraits, for example, it can show you your post under like another post that is related to the post that you created. I don't know, the algorithm on Pinterest is so smart. Also, obviously, Pinterest is not like flawless. It has some flaws, but I feel like it's a much better platform than Instagram, at least nowadays it is. The only downside to it is it's very hard to build an audience and following on there, but at least you're reaching as much people as possible, and that can help you, especially if you have a website. So I recommend, if you are going to have a Pinterest account, create a website. So whenever people click on your post, it can direct them to your website where they can see more information about your art and maybe buy something from you if they really like you, or follow you for more details, just to keep in touch with you. So yeah, I'll say that I have a website if you want to create a Pinterest account, and have fun with Pinterest, guys. Pinterest has always been fun, and keep it that way. And another platform that is not really my favorite, but you can really grow fast on there, is TikTok. If you really like to create short form content, TikTok is still a better app than Instagram. So I would say create content for TikTok. It's not really for me because I create still images. But if you're an animator or you like to do like short video content, then give TikTok a try. And another platform that I don't really use is Twitter. I do not like the platform. I feel like it's very, very toxic, and people are so hateful on there. So I just completely avoid the app. But if you're already on Twitter, I recommend that you start posting your art there, because there's audience for that as well. And I've seen a lot of like artists with big followings on Twitter. So I'd recommend you to give that a try, and people can reshare your post directly, and yeah, it's an amazing app. What can I say? But it's not an amazing platform, but it still do. And another platform is YouTube. Like, YouTube is one of those platforms I'm trying to explore now, because you can monetize the content, which is really great. Something that Instagram doesn't have, and probably will never have. Even though one time they were claiming that they will start paying their creators, but that was their own mess. But on YouTube, you know that you just have to reach a certain criteria for monetization. I don't have that yet on my channel, but I know that there's reward for my ad work in the future. So it gives me hope a little bit, something that Instagram never did for me. I actually have Facebook as well, but I don't like posting on there. And my advice would be, have one of them as your primary platform. And I would say that platform should be a platform that you can interact with your audience. The best place for me, like the best option that I've noticed is YouTube and Twitch. I feel like those are the best places to interact with your audience, and I feel like those are the places that you should make your primary platform. Instagram is fairly good at that as well, although the reach really, really sucks. But you know, anyways, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you for tuning into my video and hearing what I have to say. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
I hit record, it drop, you can't ignore it.